Shalom, my name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. Thank you so much for checking out the video today. So today guys, I'm going to do a little something called, I'm going to call this the Lawnmower Confession. So I've got my lawnmower pulled out and I want to give you guys 5 secrets that you can do this summer to help your cool season lawns survive the hot summer. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and make sure you share this. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Tip number 1 is water. None of this happens without water. You know, water is probably the single most important thing you got when it comes to lawn care. So it doesn't matter if you have the nicest mower, if you've got the best, the best fertilizer money can buy. Without water, none of it matters. So for cool season lawns, you need at least an inch and a half of water per week. Ideally, we want to break that into two different watering sessions. So maybe wet water once in the beginning of the week, and then maybe once again at the end of the week. Guys, deep and infrequent is the way to go. So make sure you're getting at least an inch of water per week. Go buy yourself a rain gauge, put it out in the lawn. When you get a rain event, if you get a ½ inch of water, now you know you've only got to get a ½ inch the rest of the week, and then do the old tuna can challenge if you have to. But guys, it's super important to make sure that you're putting down the right amount of water. Too much water is detrimental to the lawn as well. So again, water, water, water. Step number 1, water. All right guys, step 2 is I want you to raise your mower deck. All right, so whatever you've been mowing at, I want you to set it as tall as it'll go. So whether you've got a push mower or a riding mower like this, I want you to set it as high as it'll go. So whether that's 3½ inches, 4 inches, 4½ inches, okay? Our cool season lawns like tall fescue, ryegrass, they like to be mowed tall. So make sure we raise that mower blade up. That longer grass blade is going to help shade out the soil so that the ground doesn't get quite as hot. And think about in a rainforest, or if it's a really hot day, imagine you being in the shade. So that's really what we're doing for our roots of our grass, is we're really shading that soil, helping keep it cool. And then also think about the length of a grass blade as a fuel tank. So the more grass blade we have, the more nutrients and water that plant can hold. So make sure you're mowing tall, keep those mower blades sharp throughout the year, but mowing tall, step number 2, how to get your lawn through the hot summer. So step 3 for how we're gonna get this cool season lawn through the summer is we're gonna try to reduce the amount of foot traffic and extra stress or added stress that we're putting on the lawn, okay? So I would never ask you to not be in your lawn. I want you to enjoy your lawn, let your kids play soccer in your lawn, all those good things, but just understand that our lawn is under a tremendous amount of stress during June, July, and August. And so the more we can minimize that, the better opportunity we have to get our grass through the summer. So, kids playing on the lawn is okay. Just be mindful about that. And then if you have to, skip a mowing every once in a while. You come out of spring, you've been mowing every couple of days, and then summer hits, our grass just wants to chill. So you need to chill. So just let your lawn relax, let you relax, skip a mowing. It's not going to be growing quite as vigorously. So we don't need to be out there every couple of days. A green lawn is way better than a trimmed, brown lawn. So just take a relax, stay off the lawn, let it relax, and I promise that will help you get through the summer. That's step number 3, minimize the foot traffic on the lawn. Step number 4 to helping you get your cool season lawn through this hot summer is I want you to fertilize. Yes, you heard that right. I want you to fertilize. Now, I'm not saying go out there and throw down a full pound of nitrogen per 1,000 or even a ½ a pound. But go get yourself some Milorganite. It's not going to burn the lawn, but we still have to feed the lawn. It's under a tremendous amount of stress. And so what we're going to do is we're going to feed it. We're going to keep it healthy. We're going to keep it growing. As I said in step number 1, we're going to continue to water, water, water. So we want to continue to feed our lawn so that it stays healthy and can resist things like fungus and bugs and all those things. So Maybe switching over from a granular fertilizer, maybe switch over to a liquid, something like a Tide 505, 101, something from GCI, Milorganite, all great options, but we're still gonna feed our lawn through the summer. So step number 4 is I want you to feed your lawn. All right, step number 5 is fungicides. So go out and get yourself some azoxystrobin and some propiconazole today. Make sure you have it on hand. We're going to apply these every 28 days. We're going to use Pete's Natural Adjuvant so that we can use the minimum application rate for both of those. And that's going to help protect us against things like brown patch, leaf spot, and you know those different funguses that we deal with here in with the cool season lawn. So we're going to be watering, we're going to be mowing right, we're going to be fertilizing, and now we're going to make sure that we have some fungicide to help protect us in case we get a fungus. So step number 5 is make sure you have some fungicides to get you through this hot summer. Those are your 5 tips for how we're going to get their cool season lawn through the hot summer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a quick one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. Leave me a comment if you've got a question about anything I said, and I can't wait to see you guys in the lawn.